So, good morning. No, greetings for the day, greetings for the day, greetings for the day. I'm Vinay Bajaj, a plus educator at Unacademy. Is back again for all my class line learners after a very long time on YouTube. Just because couldn't get a chance to stream live videos, so we are here putting up recorded videos for you all so that the education is so that your knowledge is not put on what do we say, put on a pause mode on YouTube, so that you stay connected with us on YouTube, maybe if not live for the month, the recorded ones. So greetings for the day, everyone, at whatever time you will be watching it, morning, evening, night. Wish you everything and God bless you. Just knowing me, those who all are not aware who is teaching you all, I'm Vinay Bajaj, a plus educator at Unacademy, having a 6+ teaching experience, 6 year plus teaching experience, plus educator for class 9 and 10. I do teach class 8 mathematics. I do teach class 9 maths, science, maths, physics, and biology, and I do teach class 11 and 12 economics. Okay, so this is all about my profile, and just let me see whether I am able to stream it properly or not. Yes. All right. Of course, yes, I am. So today we are here. We will be discussing surface areas and volumes. Now you'll be wondering, यार sir, आपने एनसीईआरटी करा दी, आपने आरडी शर्मा से क्वेश्चंस करा दिए थोड़े बहुत जो अब हमारे लिए इंपॉर्टेंट है, तो बचा क्या? तो अब बचा क्या? तो अब बचा क्या? बचा है ना यार? Various sources I have bought sums for you all, so that you don't only restrict your mind in 9th standard to class 9 NCERT. We'll be practicing different sorts of sums as well. Now these sums will help you a lot to build up your base, to clear your concepts. If XYZ question is asked to you which is not a part of your NCERT, then you might be prepared, you should be prepared, you will be prepared if you follow. So just give me a second, let me add a few slides here so that we can actually paste your some of your formulas. ठीक है? So चलो शुरू करते हैं public. Let's start without wasting a single minute more. So this is how my profile is. Remember this particular thing you have to remember. What, guys, you have to remember this particular thing, the referral code. The referral code, whenever you are subscribing Unacademy, you can use my referral code and get a 10% discount flat on your desired subscription plans, be it 6 months, be it 1 month, be it 12 months, 18 months, and so on. Even this code works for Iconic, and this code also works for any subscription you want. You can take any subscription you want on Unacademy by using this code and get a 10% discount. It need not be only CBSE, it can be anything, IIT and stuff, everything. Okay, chalo. So now we will start with writing the formulas first quickly. So first we'll write the formula for cubes. Okay, I want everyone to make a note of them. Okay, so cubes. So first we write the volume of the cube, that is nothing but, it can be side cube, or it can be a cube, or it can be cube of the edge, that is h cube. Then we have the lateral surface area. Now lateral surface area is equal to 4a square, or 4 side square, or 4 edge square. Now we find out the total surface area. So total surface area is equal to 6a square. So this was all about the cubes. Now quickly let's write for cuboids. I hope I'm pretty audible to you all. So cuboids. All right. The volume of cuboid is equal to length into breadth into You can also say LBH. Okay, you can also say LBH. Then lateral, just a second, I'll just put my phone on silent. Yes, done. Okay, then we can have the, I'm just checking my video, how is it appearing? So the phone is here with me. So the lateral surface area is equal to 2 green color ही है ना, 2h L plus B. L stands for length, B stands for breadth, H stands for the height. And then we move forward to the total surface area is equal to 2 bracket open LB plus BH plus LH. Alright, so everyone make a note of the formulas please quickly, and then we move forward. ठीक है, the derivation of these formulas is not important as of now. ठीक है, उस पर भी एक वीडियो बनाएंगे, बट पहले ये देख लो lateral surface area. Now what is the difference between lateral surface area and total surface area? Your lateral surface area is only involving the four sides, that is the left and the right side, the left face and the right face, the front face and the back face. So total 6 faces होते हैं, top, bottom, left, right, front, back. ठीक है, but it is only including the front, it is only including the right one, it is only including the back one, and it is only including the left one. It's excluding the top and the bottom. मतलब ऊपर नीचे का हटा दे रहो तो जो चार दीवारें बचेगी वो क्या हो जाएगा? That will be a lateral surface area. For example, this is nothing but a cuboid. This is nothing but a cuboid. Okay, you can see this is nothing but a cuboid. When we are calculating the lateral surface area, what we'll do is one side, two side, three side, four side, that's it. 1, 2 पीछे वाला, 3, 4. We will exclude the top and the bottom. But when we are finding the total surface area, that means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. All the 6 sides are to be included. I hope this is very clear to each and everyone. Chalo, let's move forward quickly to the next part, that is, chalo, let's discuss for cone first quickly. So cones, yes, so blue, just matching the colors. Volume is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. Now r is the radius, pi का value what is given in the question. अगर question में नहीं दिया है तो what we'll take? We'll take 22 by 7. If question में दिया है तो वही लेंगे. H stands for the height. Then we have the curved surface area is equal to pi r L, where L is nothing but the sealant height. Then we have the total surface area, which is nothing but pi r L plus r. Just writing for your knowledge, L is nothing but slant height, L is the HEIGHT, slant height. The formula for L is equal to under root h square plus r square. It's simple Pythagoras. It is L square is equal to h square plus r square. So ये L का जो ऊपर का square है वो उधर जाएगा तो root हो जाएगा. When it goes from LHS to RHS, it becomes root. So under root h square plus r square. All right. Then we start with cylinders. So volume of the cylinder is pi r square h, where r is the radius, h is the height. Then we have the curved surface area, which is nothing but 2 pi r h. And finally we have the total surface area is equal to 2 pi r h plus r. H is nothing but the height. So what I'll do, avoid overwriting, simply select a green ink and surface. I hope everyone is clear with the formulas for cylinders, cones, cubes and cuboids. Now, sir, why did you write lateral surface area for cubes and cuboids and why are you writing curved surface area? दोनों होते तो same है, लेकिन always remember cubes and cuboids are never curved. They have sharp edges. So if you see this, if you see the book, it is having sharp edge. It is a cuboid. Okay? Then if I show you this particular thing, the plastic box, okay? Again, this is having sharp edges. So this is again a form of cuboid. Okay? If I show you this, this is again an example of cuboid. Okay? Then, but if I show you this particular thing, this is a cylinder. Ignore the top part. Ignore the top part. This is a cylinder. Okay? Again, if I show you this particular thing, again this is a cylinder. So it is curved. That is why we use curved surface area for for cones and cylinders, spheres and hemispheres, and we use lateral surface area for cubes and cuboids. ठीक है, तो ये हो गया आपका कोन्स और सिलेंडर्स. अब आ जाओ, नेक्स्ट कौन सी चीज होती है? वील राइट स्पीयर्स फर्स्ट. सो स्पीयर्स. So, the volume of the sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Now, for spheres, we only have surface area because the curved surface area and the total surface area are one and the same. So, इसलिए हम एक ही formula लिखते हैं. There are no curved surface area अलग से, total surface area अलग से, because everyone has seen sphere in their life. If not, I don't have one sphere right now, but you can I don't have a sphere right now, but सबने बॉल तो देखी होगी. ठीक है, सो उसके लिए आपको कोई कर्व सरफेस एरिया और टोटल सरफेस एरिया अलग नहीं होता. वो कर्व सरफेस एरिया ही टोटल सरफेस एरिया होता है. ठीक है, चलो देन हेमिस्फीयर्स. ठीक है, so volume is equal to 2 by 3 pi r cube. Now if you see sphere is a complete thing, hemisphere is half sphere. So उसमें देखो 4 by 3 है तो उसका हाफ क्या हो जाएगा? 2 by 3, और बाकी फॉर्मूला सेम रहेगा. But for hemispheres we have the total surface area and the curved surface area is different. So चलो quickly write curved surface area is equal to 2 pi r square, and the last thing which we have is the total surface area is equal to 3 pi r square. So I hope you guys are very clear with the formulas. Yes, so these are for cubes and cuboids. ठीक है, अगर शॉर्ट फॉर्म में लिखना है तो यहाँ लिख भी दो. Length into breadth into height, or LBH. So these were for your cubes and cuboids. These are for your cones and cylinders, and these are for your spheres and hemispheres. I give you still 30 seconds. Quickly note down these formulas and then we proceed further. So we'll start with the sums then. So चलो फिर जल्दी से कर लो, ठीक है? I'll just check whether the recording is happening or no, because quite a few times OBS is stopping. So yes, we are able to do it properly. चलो ठीक है. All right. So शुरू करते public now. Let's start. The first sum on your screens. Do not forget, whenever you are subscribing, you can use my referral code Vinay Sir Live for a 10% discount. चलो शुरू करते हैं public. Let us start. Yellow color. Now, the length, breadth and height of a rectangular solid are in the ratio 6:4:3. So पहले हम क्या करेंगे? Let the common multiple be x. ठीक है? So therefore your length will become what? 6x. Your breadth will become what? 4x. And your height will become what? Your height will become 3x. ठीक है? So now if the total surface area is given to you, so I'll just change the color of my pen, and therefore total surface area दिया हुआ है. So total surface area, we have just written down the formulas. Now you guys will tell me total surface is equal to, of a cuboid, since three measurements are given, LB plus BH plus LH. So total surface area कितना दिया है? It is 1728 is equal to 2 bracket open. Now you have length into breadth, that is nothing but 6x into 4x plus 4x into 3x plus 6x into 3x. Now just solve this. So you will get 1728 is equal to 2 bracket open 24x square plus 12x square plus 18x square. Therefore 178 को 2 से डिवाइड कर दो, you will get 864 is equal to 24 plus 12 36, 36 plus 18 54x square. Therefore x square is equal to, divide karo, you will get 16. Then solving the final part here, x is equal to 4 centimeters. ठीक है? Now one more thing. If we have got the value of x, root से किया है तो plus minus होना चाहिए. So now you know that no measurement is given in negative, so we'll take plus 4 as the value of x. And then what we have to do? We just have to simply, therefore your length is equal to how much? 6x, which is nothing but 6 into 4, which is nothing but 24 centimeter. Your breadth is equal to 4x, that is nothing but 4 into 4, which is nothing but 16 centimeters. And your height is equal to 3x, which is nothing but 3 into 4, which is nothing but 12 centimeters. So these are your final answers: length, breadth and height. So the question is there on your screen. Just quickly see how we have done it and then we move forward. I hope everyone is pretty clear with this question so that we can move forward to the next question. चलो ठीक है, आगे बढ़ते हैं public. Let's move forward. All right, the total surface area of a cuboid is 46 meter square. So we have the given details. First we write the given details. So total surface area is equal to 46 meter square. If its height is 1 meter, So the height is given to you. Height is equal to 1 meter. The breadth is given to you. The breadth is 3 meters. Now, can I find out the length first? So, just using different color. Therefore, total surface area, now it's a cuboid, so is equal to 2 bracket open LB plus BH plus LH. So you will get 46 is equal to 2 bracket open. L kitna hai? 3. Breadth is 3. L we don't know. So we'll take 3L plus B into H will give you 3 plus L kitna hai? We don't know. H kitna hai? 1. So we'll write L. Now 46 divided by 2 is equal to 4L plus 3. So you will get 23 minus 3 is equal to 4L, solving this particular thing here. Therefore, L is equal to 5 centimeters. You get the length as 5 centimeters very simply. Yes or no, my dear friends? सबको समझ गया लेंथ कहाँ से आई? 23 minus 3 is 20. 20 divided by 4 हो जाएगा, so you will get 5 centimeters. Now, let's find out the volume, guys. ठीक है? So, volume of the cuboid is equal to length into, you can write LBH if you have given the abbreviations at the start of the sum. मैंने नहीं दिया इसलिए मैं length into breadth into height पूरा लिख रहा हूँ. Now length we have is 5, breadth we have is 3, height we have is as 1. So 15 and we have meter square. और ये भी सॉरी वो क्यूब होगा, ये भी मीटर हो जाएगा. एंड ये क्यूब हो जाएगा. ठीक है, आई जस्ट इरेज एंड राइट इट अगेन फॉर यू ऑल. So 15 meter cube. So your final answers are on your screen. That is your total surface area is 46 meter square. So we will find out the length using the total surface area for a cuboid, and then we find out the volume, that is length into breadth into height. I hope this question is again pretty clear to you. I give you 30 seconds. See the first slide. The second slide has got nothing major to do with. जल्दी से देख लो और फिर हम आगे बढ़ते हैं. चलो क्विकली 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 फटाफट 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 फटाफट. चलो ठीक है, लेट्स प्रोसीड फर्दर नाउ टू द नेक्स्ट वन. A metal cube of side. So now what do we have here? Side of a cube is equal to, या edge of the cube is equal to 4 centimeters is immersed in a water tank. So अगर मैं एक water tank बनाऊँ तो suppose this is my water tank. ठीक है, just ignore the drawing because it's difficult to draw using a pen tab without a scale. I'm just trying it out. समझो ये एक आपकी वाटर की टंकी है. ठीक है, नाउ इसमें पहले से कुछ पानी था. अब मैंने क्या डाला? आई हैव इंसर्टेड, आई विल यूज अनदर कलर फॉर अ क्यूबॉइड, सॉरी क्यूब. Let's use a red one. I have inserted a cube. Okay, I have inserted a cube. ये क्यूब मैंने इसमें पूरा इंसर्ट किया है. ठीक है, आई हैव इंसर्टेड दिस क्यूब एंड इट इज इमर्स्ड इन अ वाटर टैंक. इमर्स्ड मतलब पूरी तरह से वो नीचे चला गया है. मतलब इन द इनिशियल स्टेजेस पहले पानी कितना था? माइट भी इतना होगा. पहले पानी माइट भी इतना होगा जब तक ये क्यूब नहीं डाला था. अगेन आई एम रिपीटिंग, जब तक ये क्यूब नहीं डाला. क्यूब डालने के बाद क्या हो गया? द वाटर लेवल हैज रिजन बिकॉज द क्यूब इज कंप्लीटली इमर्स्ड. Because the cube is completely immersed in water now. सो ये राइज हमको ढूंढना है, ये राइज हमको ढूंढना है. अकॉर्डिंग टू आर्किमिडीज प्रिंसिपल, वॉल्यूम ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट इमर्ज्ड इन द वाटर इज इक्वल टू द अमाउंट ऑफ द वाटर डिस्प्लेस्ड. यहाँ पे पानी बाहर तो नहीं गिर रहा है, लेकिन हाइट उतनी ही बढ़ेगी पानी की. सो वॉल्यूम ऑफ द क्यूब विल बी इक्वल टू द वॉल्यूम ऑफ द वाटर रीजन. यस, सो एक ये मेन पॉइंट लिख लो यहाँ पे, विच आई एम राइटिंग इन वाइट. वॉल्यूम ऑफ द क्यूब immersed is equal to volume of water risen. ठीक है, ये सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट चीज थी आपके सम की. नाउ वेरी सिंपल, फाइंड आउट द वॉल्यूम ऑफ द क्यूब इमर्स्ड. सो देयरफॉर वॉल्यूम ऑफ क्यूब इज इक्वल टू side cube, which is nothing but 4 cube, which is nothing but 64 centimeter cube. ये तो आ गया हमको वॉल्यूम ऑफ द क्यूब. नाउ फाइंड आउट द वॉल्यूम ऑफ द वाटर रीजन. नाउ ऑफ कोर्स वॉल्यूम ऑफ द वाटर रीजन कौन से शेप में होगा? इट विल बी इन द क्यूबॉइड शेप. सो वॉल्यूम ऑफ द वाटर रीजन is equal to length into breadth into height, where you have the length as 8, where you have the breadth as 4, and where you have the height as h. So we get this as 32 h centimeter cube. Now we know that the volumes are equal, that the volume of the cube immersed is equal to the volume, उतना ही ऊपर आएगा पानी का. तो चलो, therefore 64 is equal to 32h. Therefore h is equal to 2 centimeter. So we get h is equal to 2 centimeter. After getting the h is equal to 2 centimeter, anything is left in the sum. Find the rise in the level of the water. That is nothing but, therefore the rise in the water level is 2 centimeters. So when the cube was completely immersed, पानी कितने से ऊपर आया? पानी 2 सेंटीमीटर से उसकी हाइट बढ़ गई. मतलब ये जो डिस्टेंस था हमारा, ये जो डिस्टेंस था, ये कितना हो गया? रीजन वाला 2 सेंटीमीटर्स. 2 सेंटीमीटर्स. टू डिस्टिंग्विश पहले पानी कितना था, मैं एक लाइन बना देता हूँ वाइट, सो यू विल अंडरस्टैंड. ठीक है, आगे बढ़े पब्लिक. गिव यू 30 seconds अगेन टू जस्ट क्विकली गो थ्रू दिस. गो कोरोना गो. सॉरी. चलो ठीक है, लेट्स मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट सम. अ क्लोज्ड बॉक्स ऑफ वुड 5 mm thick is made up of, sorry, a closed box is made of wood 5 mm thick. The external length, breadth and height of the box are, so first thing what we'll write is the thickness. या चलो thickness भी जाने दो, हम पहले external ये सब लिखते हैं. ठीक है, external length, external breadth, external height height is equal to 21 centimeters, 13 centimeters and 11 centimeters. Now what is the thickness given to you in the question? The thickness is 5 mm. उसको convert करो तो 0.5 centimeter हो जाएगी. Now since we have to find the volume of the wood used in making the box, that is written in the last line, now we will figure out external के बदले we will figure out what? We will figure out the internal ones. So internal कैसे करते हैं मैं आपको बता देता हूँ. thickness माइनस हो जाएगी. नाउ सिंस इट्स अ क्लोज्ड बॉक्स, सब में से थिकनेस जो माइनस होगी वो 2 बार होगी. अगर ओपन होता था तो कहाँ से ओपन होता था? वहां से एक बार होती थी. दैट मीन्स व्हेन द बॉक्स इज क्लोज्ड, व्हेन द बॉक्स इज क्लोज्ड, फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ठीक है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल ये एक बॉक्स है, ठीक है गाइस, दिस पर्टिकुलर थिंग इज अ बॉक्स. नाउ इट इज क्लोज्ड, इट इज क्लोज्ड एंड इट इज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ क्यूबॉइड. ठीक है, समझो ये इसकी लेंथ है, ये इसकी ब्रेथ है, और ये इसकी ब्रेथ है, और ये इसकी हाइट है. ठीक है, अब ये थोड़ा तो थिक होगा. अब ये बंद है तो इसकी थिकनेस, इसका कार्डबोर्ड का मटेरियल मुझे कहाँ से मिलेगा, इसका कार्डबोर्ड का मटेरियल मुझे कहाँ से मिलेगा, इसके कार्डबोर्ड का मटेरियल मुझे कहाँ से मिलेगा, ये कितना कार्डबोर्ड लगा थिकनेस के हिसाब से. ठीक है, सो नाउ व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट दिस पर्टिकुलर थिंग, अब ये बंद है तो नीचे की भी थिकनेस माइनस होगी, ऊपर की भी, ऐसे लेंथ ब्रेथ हाइट तीनों के लिए होगा. लेकिन अब मैं ये डब्बा खोल देता हूँ गाइस, अब मैं ये डब्बा खोल देता हूँ, है कुछ नहीं, खाली है. ठीक है, अभी फिलहाल सब निकाल लिया, अब ये खाली है. सो जब इट विल बी एन ओपन बॉक्स, सो हाइट में से एक ही बार माइनस होगा थिकनेस, एंड बाकी जगह से दो बार. बट व्हेन इट इज अ क्लोज्ड बॉक्स इट विल बी सब्ट्रैक्टेड 2 times फ्रॉम ऑल ऑफ देम. ठीक है, चलो बढ़िया है. सो इंटरनल लेंथ is equal to 21 minus 0.5 into 2, which will give me nothing but 20 centimeters. Then we have the internal breadth is equal to 13 minus 0.5 into 2, so we'll get 12 centimeters. Internal height, internal HEIGHT is equal to 11 minus 0.5 into 2 is equal to 10 centimeters. So यहाँ तक तो सबको क्लियर हो गया. Now what the diagram will look like, everyone might have this question. So चलो डायग्राम बनाते हैं फटाफट. कैसे बनाते हैं ये मैं आपको सिखा देता हूँ. सी, आप इंसर्ट पे गए, आपने शेप्स लिए, ये आपने बनाया एक शेप. ठीक है, इसको कॉपी पेस्ट कर दो, इसको पीछे ले जाओ और दोनों को कर दो नो फिल. बॉर्डर्स को कर दो थोड़ा थिक, बॉर्डर्स को कर दो थोड़ा थिक, और बॉर्डर्स का कर दो कलर चेंज. ये समझ गया सबको. अब मैं क्या करूँगा, नाउ आई विल ड्रॉ लाइंस कनेक्टिंग द डॉट्स 1 2 3 4. ये आपका बन गया एक बॉक्स. ठीक है, अब टू अंडरस्टैंड इट इन अ मच बेटर वे, व्हाट आई विल डू इज आई विल ड्रॉ वन मोर ईयर, और इसको कॉपी पेस्ट करके मैं एक बॉक्स यहाँ पे भी प्लेस करूँगा. ठीक है, अगेन इनको हम क्या करेंगे, we'll do no fills, and we'll give the shape outline this time as orange, and we'll just increase the thickness of the borders. ठीक है, सो अब ये देख लो, ये लाइंस को भी मैं पहले ग्रीन कर देता हूँ. ठीक है, ये हो गया आपका डायग्राम. नाउ इफ यू कैन सी हियर विथ माय वाइट कलर, ठीक है, ये देखो, ये ये देखो, this particular thing is your thickness. This white line which I am making is nothing but your thickness. ऐसे पीछे भी होगी, बाजू में भी होगी, दोनों बाजू में. So this particular thing is your thickness. ठीक है, इसलिए हमने ये ऐसा किया. Now let's go back to the sum. I hope the diagram is very clear to you, and let's solve it. So now the volume of the wood, therefore the volume of the wood is equal to external volume minus the internal volume. So external volume minus the internal volume. What are the external measurements? They are 21, 13, 11. So 21 into 13 into 11 minus, what is the internal volume? 20, 12 and 10. So 20 into 12 into 10. Very simple. 21 into 11 will give you 231. 231 into 13 will give you something as 3003, minus you will get 2400. Very simple. 2 12s are 24. 24 और एक 0 240 और एक और 0 ऐड कर दो 24. So we will get 603 centimeter cube as the volume of wood. So your final answer statement will be, therefore the volume of the wood used is equal to answer statement is 603 centimeter cube. Is it very clear to everyone, my dear friends? So a closed box is made up of wood. So thickness को पहले हमने mm से centimeter में किया to have the standard units. Sorry. So external length, external breadth, external height, internal length, internal breadth, internal height. ठीक है. सो ये निकाल लिए हमने. कैसे निकाले ये आपको पता है, डायग्राम बना के भी मैंने दिखा दिया. आगे पीछे ही नहीं होएगा, आजू बाजू भी सेम चीज़ होगी, बट वो डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन में उतना क्लियरली आपको दिखेगा नहीं. देन द वॉल्यूम ऑफ द वुड इज इक्वल टू एक्सटर्नल वॉल्यूम माइनस द इंटरनल वॉल्यूम. Extremely sorry. Now let's move forward quickly to the next sum. Now the cost of papering the four walls of the room at rupees 1 per meter square is 210. Okay. So first we'll write the given details, that cost of papering the walls is equal to rupees 210. हमेशा हम क्या निकालते थे, हम टोटल कॉस्ट निकालते थे, तो हमको एरिया और पर मीटर स्क्वायर का कॉस्ट दिया रहता था. यहाँ पे वी हैव बीन गिवन द कॉस्ट एंड वी हैव बीन गिवन द पर मीटर. राइटिंग द फॉर्मूला फॉर यू ऑल इन द रेड इंक एंड देन यू विल अंडरस्टैंड इट इन अ मच बेटर वे. सो हम कॉस्ट कैसे निकालते थे गाइस? हम कॉस्ट निकालते थे एरिया इनटू द रेट. सो अब हम यहाँ पे एरिया कैसे निकालेंगे? That is nothing but cost upon the rate. So we have the cost, we have the rate. So चलो lateral surface area निकाल लेते हैं. अब क्यों lateral निकालेंगे भैया ये मत पूछना, क्योंकि पेपरिंग तो वॉल्स पे होगी ना. वॉल्स ऊपर नीचे थोड़ी ना होती हो, तो सीलिंग और फ्लोर होता है. वॉल्स तो 4 दीवार होती है. सो lateral surface area is equal to the total cost upon the rate per meter square, which is nothing but 210 आ जाएगा आपको meter square as the lateral surface area. Now you have the height also with you. So यहाँ पे लिख लो height is equal to 5 meter और length and breadth का ratio है. So what we write? Let the common multiple be x. Therefore, length is equal to 5x and the breadth is equal to 2x. Therefore, the length is equal to 5x and the breadth is equal to 2x. After getting this public, what you will have to do is, ये मिलने के बाद हम क्या कर सकते हैं? Can I do the sum here so that you have everything on the screen? Okay. अब LSA का फॉर्मूला लगाओ, is equal to, and it's a cuboid of course, so 2h l plus b. So LSA कितना है? 210. 2 bracket open 5 bracket open 5x plus 2x. So you will get 210 divided by 10 is equal to 7x. So therefore you get x is equal to 3. 0 0 कट हो गया, फिर वो 7 इधर आ गया, so 21 divided by 7 will give you 3. When you get the value of x, can we then find out my length and breadth? So length is equal to 5x, which is nothing but 5 into 3, which is nothing but 15 मीटर है कि सेंटीमीटर है पब्लिक, जस्ट एक बार मीटर है, ठीक है. एंड breadth is equal to 2x is equal to 2 into 3 is equal to 6 meters. So your breadth is this, your length is this, and finally you are done with the sum. Is everyone crystal clear with the sum? I guess everyone will be very clear because each and everything is there on the screen. So I don't think you might be having any doubt in the sum. It appears to be very simple and done in a very systematic way. Okay, just let's quickly have a look whether the session is being recorded without any interruptions. Yes, it is. Chalo, badhiya hai. Let's move forward quickly, guys, to the next question. So, find the volume of the wood used in making a closed box. Again, we have something as a closed box. So, closed box के measurement दिए, मतलब we have the external height, मतलब we have the external height. So, external length is equal to external breadth is equal to, and external height is equal to. So it's 22 centimeters by 18 centimeters and 14 centimeters. Okay. Public thickness कितना दिया है? इस बार तो thickness is also given in centimeters. So thickness is equal to 1 centimeter. No need of converting it. अब everyone knows external length क्या होगी? Sorry, internal length. इंटरनल लेंथ क्या होगी? इंटरनल ब्रेथ क्या होगी? और इंटरनल हाइट क्या होगी? ओके. अब 22 minus 2 will give you 20 centimeters. This will become as 16 centimeters and this will become as 12 centimeters since it's a closed box. So again we just have to use the same formula. I'm not drawing the diagram now. I'll just straight away start doing the sum. That is volume of wood used is equal to, oh, just let me give food to my laptop. All right. So external volume minus the internal volume is equal to 22 into 18 into 14 minus 20 into 16 into 12 ठीक है. सो व्हाट यू विल गेट गाइज हियर, यू विल गेट, इनको माइनस करो तो 1704 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब आएगा. दिस इज नथिंग बट द वॉल्यूम ऑफ योर वुड यूज्ड. सो नाउ वी हैव फाइंड द वॉल्यूम ऑफ द वुड यूज्ड. ठीक है, उन्होंने बोला है फाइंड द कॉस्ट फर्स्ट. सो हम क्या करेंगे, अब अगले स्क्रीन पे हम क्या निकालेंगे, वी विल फाइंड आउट द कॉस्ट. सो कॉस्ट ऑफ द wood used is equal to ₹5 per meter square per centimeter cube दिया है. So 1704 into the rate. So you will get the cost as what? ₹8520. This will be your cost for the wood used जो डब्बा बनाने में लगा है, जो कि वॉल्यूम ऑफ वुडन क्लोज्ड बॉक्स बनाने में लगा है. After this they have asked you how many number of cubes of side 2 centimeter. So very simple, जब भी number of cubes निकालना है आप क्या करोगे, volumes divide करोगे. So number of cubes is equal to the volume of the wooden box. कौन सी वॉल्यूम, इंटरनल, क्योंकि इंटरनल में रखे जाएंगे एक्सटर्नल में नहीं. सो वॉल्यूम ऑफ द वुडन बॉक्स, विच वन, द इंटरनल वन. सो इंटरनल वॉल्यूम ऑफ द वुडन बॉक्स, द होल डिवाइड बाय वॉल्यूम ऑफ ईच स्मॉल क्यूब. सो यू विल गेट व्हाट, 3840. अब ये 3840 कहाँ से आया, इसका मैं रेड में आपको कैलकुलेशन दिखा रहा हूँ. इंटरनल वॉल्यूम के मेजरमेंट्स क्या है, 20 into 16 into 12. ठीक है, ये यहां से आया है. द होल अपॉन वॉल्यूम ऑफ ईच, छोटा क्यूब क्या है 2 सेंटीमीटर, सो इट विल बी 8. डिवाइड दिस, यू विल गेट द आंसर एज 480 क्यूब्स. तो ये आपका एक आंसर हुआ, ये आपका एक आंसर हुआ, और एक आपका ये आंसर हुआ. I hope everyone is very clear with the sum. You have the external length, you have the external breadth, you have the external height. From there, subtracting the thickness, you have got the internal length, breadth and height. Volume of wood used in making a closed box, we have already seen the formula, that's external volume minus the internal volume. So external volume minus the internal volume is nothing but 1704. Then they have asked us find the cost of the wood used. So find the cost of the wood required है, so हम used के बदले क्या लिखेंगे, we will also write required. So इसको cancel करके लिख देते हैं required. Cost of the wood required is 8520. Now they have also asked us number of cubes, which is nothing but volume of the wooden box. Why we will take internal, again the same example, cubes अंदर रखे जाएंगे, डब्बा बंद करके बाहर नहीं रखे जाएंगे, इसलिए हम क्या लेंगे, हम internal volume लेंगे. ठीक है, we will take the internal volume. So internal volume of the wooden box divided by volume of each cube. Each cube का साइड दिया 2 सेंटीमीटर, डिवाइड कर दो 2 सेंटीमीटर, तो 2 का क्यूब निकाल लो, so 8. So 3840 divided by 8 will give you 480 cubes. Is everyone very clear till here? चलो एक और सम करते हैं. If, ठीक है, it costs ₹3,300 to paint the inner curved surface area of a 10-meter deep well. So what is the height? The height is equal to 10-meter deep. The height is equal to 10-meter deep. So inner curved surface, again this we have already done. So the curved surface area is equal to the total cost upon the rate, which is nothing but 3,300 divided by 30. So you will get it as 110 meter square. So ये आपको मिल गया inner CSA 110. So the first part of the sum is done. Let's find out the second part of the sum. We have to find the second part में हमें क्या ढूंढना है, diameter. Very simple. Inner CSA is equal to 2 pi r h. So 110 is equal to 2 into 22 upon 7. Since pi is not given, we'll take 22 upon 7 into r into height दी है 10. So we'll get 110 into 7 upon 2 into 22 into 10 is equal to r. So 2 ones are, we'll get this as 55, this will get as 5, this will get as 2, 11 से करने पे, this will get as 2, this will get as 1. So therefore r is equal to 7 by 4 meters. 7 by 4 meters. We have to find the diameter. So therefore diameter is equal to twice of radius, which is nothing but 7 upon 4 into 2, which is nothing but 7 upon 2, which is nothing but 3.5 meters. 3.5 meters. तो सेकेंड पार्ट ऑफ द सम भी हो गया. अब कैपेसिटी ढूंढनी है. अब मुझे लगता है आपको मतलब तो पता ही होगा कैपेसिटी का मतलब क्या होता है. दैट इज नथिंग बट द वॉल्यूम ऑफ द. सो चलो लेट्स फाइंड द वॉल्यूम देन. देयरफॉर वॉल्यूम ऑफ द वेल इज इक्वल टू, वॉल्यूम ऑफ द वेल कैसे निकालेंगे. इट विल बी pi r square h. The volume is nothing but the capacity. So 22 upon 7 into 7 by 4 into 7 by 4 into 10. So ये 7 और ये 7 कट गया, ये हो गया 2 ज़ा, ये हो गया 11 ज़ा, ये हो गया 1 ज़ा, ये हो गया 5 ज़ा. So you will get 55 into 7 upon 4, that is nothing but 7 5s are 35, 3 carry over, 385 by 4, which is nothing but 4 1s are 4, you will get 9s are 36, 25 carry over, so you will get 6s are 0.25. So you will get the answer as you will get the answer as 96.25 meter cube. Do not forget the correct units or else you will end up losing marks if you do the sum correctly as well. So I hope everyone is clear with the sum on the screen. इनर सी ए से निकाल लो. कॉस्ट अपॉन रेट ये हमने अभी ही एक सम में किया था. यहाँ पे आई हैड रिटन, आई हैड एक्सप्लेन कैसे निकालते हैं. यहाँ पे लैटरल निकाला था, यहाँ पे बस यहाँ पे सी ए से निकाल लिया बिकॉज इट्स अ cylinder. So cost upon rate, we got inner curved surface area. Then by using the inner curved surface area, I got the radius, and radius से we got the diameter. Then capacity. Capacity के लिए हमारे पास radius है, हमारे पास height है. बस वही तो फॉर्मूला में चाहिए, radius और height. पाए तो हमको पता है 22/7 होता है. Is it very 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 clear to each and everyone? All right. So नाउ ये पार्ट 1 था आपका. सो आज के लिए हम इतने ही सम्स करेंगे. फिर मिलेंगे पार्ट 2 में. जल्दी लाइव हो जाएगा वो भी पार्ट 2. ठीक है. सो पार्ट 2 के सम्स भी इसमें हैं, बट हम वो पार्ट 2 में करेंगे. पार्ट 1 के लिए इतना ही. नाउ दोज हु ऑल डोंट फॉलो मी ऑन अनअकैडमी कैन प्लीज फॉलो मी ऑन अनअकैडमी. द लिंक विल बी देयर इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन नीचे व्हेन दिस वीडियो विल बी स्ट्रीम्ड. ठीक है. These are the current batches which are going on. As you can see my highlighter 1 2 3 4. This is for class 10. This is for class 10. इसमें अब PYQs चल रहे हैं. रैपिड रिविजन एक बार का हो गया है. अब हम PYQs कर रहे हैं, वो भी 4 चैप्टर के हो गए. सो आपने अगर ज्वाइन नहीं किया तो जल्दी ज्वाइन कर लो अनअकैडमी. This is for class 8. Again this is for class 10. So 3 batches I am in for class 10. This is for 9th. This batch is finished. This batch is finished. This is for class 9. This is for class 9. One more batch is starting from 7th of December for your amazing preparation for your final exams. One last time. कोड तो आपने पता ही है. ये कोर्स ख़त्म हो चुका है, ये कोर्स चल रहा है, ये कोर्स ख़त्म हो चुका है, ये कोर्स ख़त्म हो चुका है. बट यू कैन ऑलवेज अवेल द रिकॉर्डिंग. ओके. PYQs का कोर्स चल रहा है. रिप्रोडक्शन हमारा हो गया है. आवर एनवायरमेंट हो गया है. Now only human eye is left, but again when you subscribe the portal the recordings will be available to you. जो live session conduct किया हुआ रहता है वो record होता है. This is going on and ये ख़त्म हो चुका है. This ended on 31st October. Again, you can use my referral code Vinay Live. The master's batch, this has been an amazing response. Almost every lecture we have 100 students in this batch, a minimum, and many of them watching the recorded session. And some amazing feedbacks have been received by the team as well, by the learners, that this batch is helpful to them, and actually they are realizing how much the syllabus they have covered. Coming to the plus part, how you have to subscribe. Open the Unacademy app, select get subscription. गेट सब्सक्रिप्शन के बाद अगर आपको प्लस लेना है तो सिलेक्ट प्लस. प्लस लेते हो तो ये सारे प्राइजेस हैं, बट यहाँ पे देखो मेरा कोड डालोगे, ठीक है, यहाँ पे मेरा कोड डालो तो कौन सा भी कोड डाल सकते हो, VB19 या विनय सर लाइव. तो यहाँ पे आपने लिखा विनय सर लाइव और क्लिक टू प्रोसीड टू पे करो, तो आपकी जो नेक्स्ट स्क्रीन आएगी वो ये आएगी, ये देखो 10% लेस होके आ गई. सो यहाँ पे आपको कोड दिखेगा विनय सर लाइव और ऐसा लिखा हुआ आएगा कि ऑसम यू हैव गॉट अ 10% ऑफ. प्रोसीड टू पे पे क्लिक करो, पे कर दो. लेकिन अब एक बात है, क्रिएटिव कॉर्नर अब आपको फ्री नहीं मिलेगा. क्रिएटिव कॉर्नर अब आपको फ्री नहीं मिलेगा, वो कल तक ही था जो फ्री चल रहा था पिछले 1.5 महीने से. तो क्रिएटिव कॉर्नर नाउ विल बी चार्जेबल. नाउ यू विल ओनली गेट प्लस. गोइंग टू द नेक्स्ट पार्ट, इफ यू सिलेक्ट आइकॉनिक, अगर आइकॉनिक सिलेक्ट करते हो तो ये प्राइसिंग है. आइकॉनिक स्टार्ट बेसिक प्लान फ्रॉम 6 months. अगेन व्हाट यू हैव टू यूज इज, यू हैव टू यूज विनय सर लाइव. विनय सर लाइव डालो तो जब यहाँ पे विनय सर लाइव दिखेगा तो अगेन सेम मैसेज आएगा आपको, दैट इज awesome, you got 10% off, and you can click on proceed to pay. You can also select EMIs, but make sure Creative Corner is not free now because it was till 22nd only. What is Creative Corner? You have these many sessions conducted on Creative Corner regularly. Apart from your syllabus completion, we also focus on overall development on Unacademy. So Vedic math, doodling, public speaking, origami, magic tricks, debating, mnemonics, robotics, storytelling. Then you have the poetries. Everything is there on the portal for you all. So it's a one-stop solution to all your problems. And as you all know, the NEP is coming into existence. It is coming into force with effect from very soon. And Unacademy as a team is always ready and is starting to build up the students base from now itself. You have information technology going on, you have Sanskrit going on, you have teachers for French who are teaching French. So everything is there. Soon we will start with more foreign languages on the portal. This is how the schedule stands for. This might be changed because now the schedule can change. This is the old schedule. The new schedule will be available to you on the website once you subscribe. These are the ongoing batches you can see. And that's it for the day, guys. I hope you all enjoyed the session thoroughly, and I am sure that you will be waiting for the part 2 eagerly. Now, if you really enjoyed the session, do not forget to press the like button. Do not forget to subscribe the channel. Do not forget to share the link with your friends, and do not forget to post the comment that whether you enjoyed the session or not, or if any doubts, you can post it in the comments. I will be reverting you back soon. Take care, stay safe. Bye, guys. Lots of love to everyone, and blessings to the younger ones at your place, and regards to the elder ones. Bye, guys. This is Vinay Bajaj, a plus educator, a verified educator on Unacademy, signing off. Till then, take care.